Welcome back. The market is under a bit of pressure right now, but it has definitely recovered from the lows of trade. The mid-caps have actually moved into the green. And supporting the market today is the pharmaceutical names. So you have Cipla, Divi, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, all trading in the green by about 1 to 2.5%. So let's talk about this space. In the latest deal in the Indian pharma market, Torrent Pharma is buying domestic-focused Curatio Pharma. So why is Torrent Pharma shelling out 2,000 crores for a company that's expected to generate around 275 crores of sales in this year? Ekta is here to shed light on the two fast-growing segments that Curatio operates in, dermatology and pediatrics. Ekta.
Well, yes, Torrent Pharma, which will now get 60% of its business from the Indian market versus 50% earlier, is shelling out around 2,000 crores to buy 100% stake in India-focused dermatology company Curatio Pharma. While concerns have been around the deal valuations and the margins, experts say it is an insight into two fast-growing segments in the Indian pharma market of dermatology as well as pediatrics. How is that? Curatio gets over 90% of sales from dermatology, but 60% of the products are from the pediatric dermatology segment. One of Curatio's top-selling products is a pediatric soap, Teddy Bar, which comprises of around 34% of its revenue and generated around 76 crores of sales in FY22. Other top products too are focused on the pediatric dermatology space, such as Nappy Rash Cream before Nappy, Spoo, which is a sulfate-free shampoo, and Atgola, which is a 34 crore brand which is used for pediatric atopic dermatitis. While both dermatology and pediatric segments were impacted by COVID-19, they have seen a bounce back. For example, the baby and child market is currently expected to be valued a little over 12,600 crores, up 14% year-on-year, and is estimated to grow at around 12% and by FY25 reach close to around 18,000 crores. Meanwhile, the dermatology market is currently valued at around 11,000 crores. It can be roughly broken up into two segments, medical and cosmetic. Medical dermatology is focused on more traditional conditions, making up bulk of the dermatology market at around 7,000 odd crores, growing at around 8 to 9%. Meanwhile, the cosmetic dermatology market is mainly focused on skin and hair products for less serious medical conditions, which is valued at around 3,000 crores and is expected to grow 18 to 20% per year. This growth is also reflective in the sales of companies. For example, Curatio sales, which gets around 50% of sales from 3 brands, generated around 224 crores of sales in FY22 and is expected to end FY23 with at least 275 crores of sales. Similarly, Piramal Pharma has a portfolio of baby care brands under the brand Littles, is ranked 5th as a whole in the OTC segment. Other competitors include baby products company, German company Sebamed, which as of 2021 as a whole had grown 5x in the last 3 years, and in a similar category is dermatology company Cetaphil. Lastly, while growth is expected to continue, experts believe there will be continued interest to enter this market via the M&A route, which is already visible. For example, earlier this year, we saw Eris Life shelling out around 650 crores for a Mumbai-based private dermatology company, Oaknet, while JB Chemicals bought 4 of Dr. Reddy's pediatric brands, including a Nappy Rash Cream, for a total of around 100 crores. Experts point out that deals could even be at a premium valuation, as we have seen for Torrent, as they are paying for growing brands in a high-growth segment, which will help outperform the Indian pharma market, with less risk of these portfolios also coming under the price control hammer.
Okay, well, I must say, somebody like me has used